Welcome, dear students of Standard 7th, to the next class in Mathematics, Chapter 1, Geometrical Constructions. Today, we will be studying about construction of triangles. Today, we are going to study construction of triangles. The first construction. To construct a triangle, given the lengths of its three sides, that is SSS construction. Let us understand how to perform this construction with the help of an example. Students, look at this question. Draw triangle XYZ such that length XY equal to 6 cm, length YZ equal to 4 cm, and length XZ equal to 5 cm. Now, before beginning any construction, we have to draw a rough figure which will give us an idea of how to perform the construction exactly. Now, in a triangle, when the three sides are given, it is always preferred to take the longest side as the base. And even in your rough figure, the sides should be proportionate. That means 6 cm should not look smaller than 5 cm, and so on. So let us proceed to draw the rough figure. The rough figure should also not look bigger than the fair figure. Now here, the base we will take XY since it is the longest side. So XY 6 cm. This will be Z. XZ is 5 cm. And YZ is 4 cm. Now we will proceed to do the fair construction. So first I will take the base. Base XY is 6 cm. So we have here XY equal to 6 cm. Now with the help of the rounder, I will measure 5 cm. And keeping the pointer of the rounder at X, we will strike an arc measuring 5 cm. Now, once again I will measure 4 cm. And this time, placing the rounder at Y, we will cut this arc that was previously drawn. So the point of intersection of these arcs is the point Z. And now we will join XZ and we will join YZ. We will write the lengths of the sides. XZ measures 5 cm and YZ measures 4 cm. So that completes our construction. Students, now we will move on to practice set 2. Draw triangles with the measures given below. Let's take a look at the first sum. In triangle ABC, length of AB is 5.5 cm, length of BC 4.2 cm, and length of AC is 3.5 cm. Here is the rough figure. In the rough figure, you can see AB is the longest side. We have taken it as the base, 5.5 cm, AC 3.5 cm, and BC 4.2 cm. Now we will proceed to the final construction. So we'll begin by drawing the base AB equal to 5.5 cm. .5. Now with the help of the compass, I will measure out 3.5 centimeter. Placing the pointer at A, we will draw an arc 3.5 centimeter, and now we will measure 4.2 centimeter. And placing the pointer at B, we will cut the arc previously drawn. Now we will name this point as C, and we will join AC and BC, and we will write the lengths of the sides 3.5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter. So that completes the first construction. Second question, in triangle STU, length of ST is 7 centimeter, length of TU is 4 centimeter, and length of SU is 5 centimeter. So we will take the longest side ST as the base, 7 centimeter. Then from SU 5 centimeter, and from TU measures 4 centimeter. So the base ST 7 centimeter. ST 7 centimeter. Now with the compass we'll measure 5 centimeter, and we'll draw an arc from S. Now we'll take 4 centimeter and keeping it at T, we'll cut the arc previously drawn. I'll just extend this arc a little bit. Okay, and now we will join this. This will be the point U. We move to the next question. Let's move on to the next question, children. In triangle PQR, length PQ is 6 centimeter, length QR is 3.8 centimeter, and length PR is 4.5 centimeter. Since 6 centimeter is the longest side, here in the rough figure we have taken it as the base PQ, and the other two sides, one is 4.5 centimeter and the other is 3.8 centimeter. So we'll proceed to do the fair construction. First, we will take the base of the triangle as 6 centimeter. PQ, which is 6 centimeter. Now, on the compass, we will measure 3.8 centimeter. Place it at Q. Strike the arc, and then we'll measure 4.5 centimeter. Keep it at P. Now join this. And name this as R. This is 4.5 centimeter and this one is 3.8 centimeter. Let's proceed to the next sum. Draw an isosceles triangle with base 5 centimeter and the other sides 3.5 centimeter each. Students, you know an isosceles triangle has two sides equal. So we take the base here in the rough figure BC as 5 centimeter and the remaining two sides, that is AB and AC, both of equal measure, that is 3.5 centimeter each. So we'll draw the base BC equal to 5 centimeter. Now we will measure 3.5 centimeter. Name the triangle as A, B, C. Base is 5 centimeter and the other two sides are of equal length, that is 3.5 centimeter each. So that completes our isosceles triangle. With that, we come to the end of this session. The remaining questions of this practice set will be continued in the next video. Thank you.